friends, I'm just showing this video that my OnePlus 5T phone, even the phone is on full sound and ring volume, but if someone try to call me, it's just going on a silent mode and it just vibrates. I'm using this phone to call on this number, and as you can see, it's not coming the ringtone, it's just vibrating. I'm having this issue from last 3 months. I'm trying to solve this problem, but still the technical guys, they didn't fix the problem. They try to update me the phone with the higher operating system, but still it's not working. As you can see, the ringtone is still high. Now I'm going to switch off the phone and back switch on, and then after the problem is solved, so I'm just rebooting the phone now. It's rebooting. So now I'm just adding my password and turn on the phone. Now you can still see the volume, and the ringtone volume is high. Now again I'm calling from this number, and now you can see the volume is coming back and the sound is coming back as well. So just to solve the problem, you can just reboot the phone, that's it. No other solution.